Then the second muscle in the interior compartment, we have coracobrachialis. It is the smallest of all three muscles, which lies deep to the bicep brachii. An important function of the coracobrachialis is that it stabilizes the humeral head within the shoulder joint, especially when the arm is hanging freely at the person's side. Originating from the coracoid process of the scapula and inserting at the medial side of the humeral shaft. The coracobrachialis muscle lies posterior to the pectoralis major muscle and anterior to the tendons of subscapularis, latissimus dorsi, teres major, and the medial head of triceps. It is located medially to the bicep brachii and brachialis muscle. The humeral insertion of coracobrachialis crosses anteriorly by the median nerve. Coracobrachialis also forms the lateral border of axilla or the armpit, where it is easiest to palpate. You should remember that the coracobrachialis muscle flexes the arm at the shoulder joint and does weak adduction. The coracobrachialis also resists deviation of the arm from the frontal plane during abduction. Therefore, the contraction of coracobrachialis leads to two different movements of the shoulder joint. It draws the humerus forward, causing flexion of the arm, and draws the humerus towards the center, causing adduction of the arm. To some extent, it also turns the humerus inward, causing internal rotation. So we are done with the second muscle of the anterior compartment of the arm. Now let's move on to the third muscle, which is the brachialis muscle.